covers the enveloping of the body, includes the epidermis, also called the skin or the cutaneous membrane. The cutaneous membrane relates to the skin. Integumentary system consists of the skin and its derivatives like nails, hair, sweat glands, and sebaceous glands. And the epidermis is the epithelium of the integument. Keratinocyte is the most abundant cell type in the epidermis, cells that produce keratin. The melanocyte is pigments produced in cell, the basal layer of the epidermis. The melanin is any of the dark brown, black pigments or the yellow-red pigments that occur in the skin, hair, and retina. The melanosomes is the cytoplasmic process transfer melanin pigment to the keratinocytes within the basal layer and sometimes in more of the superficial layer. And keratinization is development of the horny layer due to the cells filled with protein keratin, and carotene is the class of the yellow, red pigments widely distributed in plants and animals.
Hemoglobin is a red pigmented protein that transports oxygen and carbon dioxide. It is also responsible for the characteristic blood red color of arterial blood. Hemangioma is an anomaly that results in skin discoloration due to the blood vessels that proliferate to form a benign tumor. Capillary hemangioma appears in the skin as a bright red to deep purple nubules that are usually present at birth and disappear in childhood. Cavernous hemangiomas are large dermal blood vessels that may last for a lifetime. The dermis is the connective tissue layer of the skin internal to the epidermis. This contains the lymph vessels, the nerves, and the nerve endings, glands, and usually the hair follicles. A stride is stripes, bands, streaks, or lines disfigured by a difference in color, texture, or elevation from surrounding tissues. Subcutaneous layer is immediately internal to the integument. Chlorocalcifera is vitamin D. Vasoconstriction is the narrowing of blood vessel lumen, and vasodilation is the increase of blood vessel lumen.
Innervation is the supply of axons functionally connected with the structure of the body. Lanugo, fine, soft, unpigmented fetal hair. Vellus is fine, non-pigmented hair covering most of the fetal body. Medulla is inner region of an organ, and the cortex is the outer region of an organ. The sebum is the secretion of a sebaceous gland. Glands are organs or individual cells that secrete a substance. Cerumen, soft waxy secretion of the ceruminous gland found in an external auditory meatus. The fibrosis is the formation of fibrous connective tissue as a repair or reactive process. Tissue is groups of similar types of cells performing a common function for the body. And mesenchyme, an embryonic connective tissue.